Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to invite collaborators to your document created on the Boxed Content Cloud application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that, you should tap on either the Browse or Collections section down below to select a document and click on the three dots icon in the right side and then click on the first option, Share. After that, tap on the Invite section at the top of this page and click on Invite Collaborators down below. As you can see, you can either type in their name or their email address. And after typing it in, you can set whether they are or they have access to edit the document, so they can upload, download, preview, share, edit and delete it, or they are only viewers, so they can download, preview it and share it. So you can set it here and then click on the invite button in the upper right corner of the screen. So you are going to send an invitation email and they will be invited to either edit or share the document or view it. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.